You guys are such scaredy cats. What the hell? And Hilda's just like, I want to just pick it up and put it in my mouth and lightly carry it away.
Get it, get it. You're brave, Hilda. Get it.